日本語日本語
皆さんこんにちは。お元気ですか? How are you today? I hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Nihongo with Yukino. So today, we're going to talk about two different ways of using らしい. Do you know how to use らしい in general? If it's first time for you to learn らしい, that's good. We can dig in. Also, if you know, but some people are still, I don't know how to use this らし and this らし. Two different らし. So I'm gonna explain it. Before we dive into this explanation of らし, two different らし, please give me one moment. I want to introduce my social media, Instagram. In my Instagram, I upload a short video of Japanese history, Japanese culture. Recently, I uploaded origami instruction video, which is rare because that was for 5th of May, Children's Day. I introduced helmet with origami. So it's gonna be a little bit different from YouTube, so don't forget to follow my Instagram too. Alright, so we're going to look at らし differences. Let's go! Alright, the first らし. So the first らし is we often translate into English like probably. So this らし is an expression of speculation based on the information seen or heard. So whatever you see or hear, maybe that's true. らし probably is true. Probably like this, like that. And grammatical wise, we can use plain form plus らし. Alright, so let's look at example sentences. Example sentence number 1. このラーメンは美味しいらしいよ。このラーメンは美味しいらしいよ。I heard that this ramen is very tasty. Number 2. 山田さんは3カ国語喋れるらしいよ。山田さんは3カ国語喋れるらしいよ。I heard that Yamada-san can speak 3 different languages. Number 3. 今週の金曜日、パーティーあるらしいよ。今週の金曜日、パーティーあるらしいよ。It could be you see this poster about party happening on this Friday, or you heard from someone that, oh, this Friday has a party. And then you're saying that, I heard or I seen that there is a party on Friday. Alright, let's look at the summary of this grammar and please try a mini quiz. You can pause this video. It's going to be quick. So please pause this video and try these questions. 3, 2, 1. 頑張ってね! The second らし. So this らし, the key phrase is typical. Because expression that denotes having the characteristic of the thing. And grammatical wise, you can only use noun this time. Noun plus らし. Noun plus らし. Alright, let's look at some example sentences. Example sentence number 1. 山田さん、重い荷物運んでいて男らしいですね。山田さん、重い荷物運んでいて男らしいですね。That means maybe you see this Yamada-san carrying very heavy things and then you think that 男らしい、very manly, having a lot of power, 男らしい。Example sentence number 2. 今日は春らしい日だ。今日は春らしい日だ。Today is a typical spring day. And maybe, in this case, you see sakura tree, cherry blossom. And maybe you feel warm wind. It makes you feel like, this is typical spring day. very warm, very bright, very green, and very beautiful with sakura tree. Example sentence number 3. 太郎くんは子供らしい子供ですね。太郎くんは子供らしい子供ですね。So in this case, it's not negative, it's positive. 子供らしい子供. Maybe 太郎くん goes to the park and then play with toys like swings and slides. Maybe 太郎くん loves ice cream and eat. And then he has so many ice creams around his mouth. Very typical child in a good way. Alright, so now it's time to look at the summary. And please try mini quiz. Alright, 行きましょう。3、2、1、GO! Alright, how was it? I hope you understood two differences of this lashi and this lashi. Probably, typically. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!